Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another unboxing video. Tcharam! As you can see from the title, you know what's inside of this box. And I'm very excited to finally get this one because it's been months or a year that I've been wanting to get this camera. And yeah, now it's here, so let's unbox together. So this is the Insta360 ONE R, and I bought the Trio Edition bundle, which includes the 1-inch edition lens camera from Leica and their 360 dual lens camera plus the 4K wide angle camera. Actually, it depends on you on which bundles that you will get, but for me, I got the Trio Edition plus the accessories so that I could save up from shipping fee, and they have a lot of discounts when I bought this, so why not take advantage of that discount? So let's see them together. So let's start with the main course, which is this one. This is the 1-inch wide angle that is engineered together with Leica. So cute. This is so small. See? USB-C cable. And this is the mounting bracket. And the next lens is their dual lens 360 mod. So this is their 360 camera. And they also have the lens guard. This is very important. And the next lens is their 4K wide angle mod. This one, they're super small. So these lenses are good for traveling whenever we are allowed to travel again. Now we go to the accessories. I bought a few accessories with them. During the time I bought the camera, they have a lot of discounts including the accessories, so why not give them a try so that I could save up for the shipping fee. So yeah, the first one is their GPS smart remote. So I thought having a remote would be much easier. Of course, they have their manual, this one, and includes a holder as well that you can mount. And they also include a soft case plus a strap, which is nice. And a charging cable, a USB charging cable. And the next one is an extra battery. Of course, you need to have at least one extra battery, so that whenever you are shooting outside and you run out of battery, at least you have a spare. So cute. It's super small. And the next one, of course, I did get a fast charge hub. I can charge both of the battery at the same time so that I could save time. So this is how it looks like. This is the one. So it's a two-sided charging plate. So yeah, and they include a power brick, of course the USB-C charging cable. And the next one I got is their mic adapter, because I wanted to use an external mic whenever it is windy outside or there's a lot of noise. At least I could use my third-party mic to erase those, and I will have a clear audio when capturing my video. So this is how it looks like. It's too small, it's a USB-C, and on the other side it's a audio jack. Next one is the most important thing for me. It's their lens guards for dual lens 360 mod lens. On my previous 360 camera, I don't have any lens protector, so when I drop it twice, the lens got scratches. So now when I try to shoot a 360 camera, it's not possible anymore because there is a scratch on the lens. So one side of the camera will have a scratch, so the video will be blurred because of that scratch. So yeah, that's why this one is very important. So of course there's two lens guard, both sides, and yeah, this is very sturdy. This is very useful, very useful for me. Oh, and they also include a pouch. Nice. Okay, and the next one is a bullet time cord. So it says on the box this accessory is for Insta360 ONE X2, but I saw this accessory listed also in the Insta360 ONE R. So let's see if this is really compatible. So this is how it looks like. Last but not the least, I did get a carry case for Insta360 ONE R. At first, actually, I'm as hesitant to get a carrying case because I do have a lot of camera pouch. But when I think of it, I do have a 3 lens, so I need to protect those 3. So this case will have a dedicated space for each of them. So that's why this is quite useful and advisable, I think, to get it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So it's quite sturdy and hard, so definitely your device is protected. So yeah, this is very dedicated for them. This one's nice. Alright, those are the camera lens and accessories that I got. So basically, the 1-inch camera lens is a 19 megapixel and it has a low light, which is why we decided to get this because of its low light. And they have their new flow state stabilization, so the stabilization is more smooth than the previous one and compared to the other cameras. This is actually the lens, the 1-inch lens, and this is the core, and this is the battery. So you can actually disarrange them when you want to change your lens. So how do you disassemble? This one is from this slider. You slide and after that just so this is the core, just the system and the LCD, and this is your 1-inch lens. Okay. With our 360 lens, this one is a 5K resolution and it also have a flow state stabilization. For you to use the other lens, you just need to bolt in. So this reminds me the cartoons Voltas 5. So just bolt in like this, and then on the bottom you just need to slide and then put the battery, then click. Voila! This is your 360 lens camera. Nice! So the next lens, of course, the same thing with the 4K wide angle camera. So let's try. Let's bolt out, slide, then pull, and then bolt out. So this is the 4K wide angle lens. Just need to bolt in again, like this, and then slide, and then push. this is your 4K wide angle camera version. I like it, and it's so small. It's like a small, really small camera. So I put back the 1-inch lens. Let's try to turn it on. And this is a touch screen. Insta360 ONE R. Install Insta360 ONE R app and connect camera to activate. I almost forgot about the SD card. I thought it has an internal storage, but yeah, you need to have an SD card for this. I do have spare, but it doesn't come with it. Yeah, so basically that's all the unboxing for today. It's quite a lot, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you for watching until the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!